Hey, what's up? It is February 22nd, 2019. Me and Maria are headed to Seattle, Washington with our good friends, Nate and Brandy. We're excited. I've never been to Seattle. This is our very first time. We are extremely pumped. Let's go. See you guys there. Hey, good morning. What a night last night. We left Indianapolis at 7:30 p.m. We arrived in Seattle, Washington at 5:30 a.m. It's been a hell of a night. We're all exhausted, but we're here. We made it. We're about to go look at some fish, eat some food, hang out, and do the damn thing. Looking forward to it.
Look at all the gun fails though.
Yeah, I know.
Oh hey guys, we're at the gum wall in Seattle. Getting ready to put our gum on the wall.
She's always like, can you take it?
Alright, here it goes guys. Right there.
That's gross.
That's gross. That's really gross. Hello from Seattle. This is day 2 in Seattle, Washington. We're in Pike's Place Market right now. It is completely empty, a little bit before 6, and we're waiting on the very first Starbucks to open up. So we've got about 15 minutes, burning some time in Pike Place Market.
Place looks pretty cool when there's nobody here. We ate at
Wasabi
last night.
Had some sushi.
We ate at Fisherman's.
We had brunch, I guess you'd call it there. Took a ride on the Seattle wheel. There's a Ferris wheel right
awesome.
on the water. And it's like $14 a person. Totally worth it. Beautiful.
Alrighty guys, see you soon.
Bye.